Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video, we will be learning about between and in operator. So let's get started. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. The in operator is a shorthand for multiple or condition. And the syntax for that is select column names from table name where column name in value 1, value 2 and more. So let's return all customers from USA or Spain. To do that, let's type select asterisk symbol from customers where country in USA, Spain. Now if we compile this displays all the customers from the USA or Spain. And by using the not keyword in front of the in operator, you return all records that are not any of the value in the list. Just add not in front of in keyword. Now if we compile this displays all the customers except from USA or Spain. Next we have between operator. This between operator selects the values within a given range. The values can be numbers, text or dates. The between operator is inclusive. Begin and end values are included. And the syntax for that is select column names from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. For example, let's select all items with an amount between 100 and 400. To do that, let's type select asterisk symbol from orders where amount between 100 and 400. Now if we compile this displays the orders whose amount is in range of 100 and 400 including 100 and 400. And to display the items outside the range of the previous example, use not between keyword. Just add not before between keyword. Now if we compile this displays the orders whose amount is not in the range of 100 and 400. So this was all about the between and in operator. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.